Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Shiksha. আজি এই ভিডিঅ'টোত লৈ আহিছোঁ আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰী পাৰ্ট 2। এই সকলোখিনি কুৱেশ্যনছ MCQ টাইপতে আছে। আমি কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ লগতে আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰী, আসাম জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী বা এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট, ছ'চিয়েল ষ্টাডিজ এই সকলোখিনি টপিকতে গুৰুত্ব দিব লাগে। চ' আজি মই লৈ আহি আছোঁ 15টা MCQ টাইপ কুৱেশ্যনছ। লেট ষ্টাৰ্ট। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1. In how many parts the British divided Assam for the provisions of administration? The options given here are option A 2, B 4, C 5, D 6. The correct answer is option number A 2. Question number 2. Konoklota Borua was killed while she was trying to hoist the tricolor in which police station? The options given here are option A, Dorong, B, Horupothar, C, Gopur, D, Tajpur. The correct answer is option number C, Gopur. Question number 3. Where is the Moidam of Lasit Borfukon? The options given here are option A, Jorhat, B, Mongoloi, C, Sipsagar, D, Tajpur. The correct answer is option number A, Jorhat. Question number 4. The authority of the Raja Govinda Chandra of Kachar was challenged by the Kachari chief. The options given here are option A, Gambhir Singh, B, Balaram Singh, C, Tularam, D, Gaur Shyam. The correct answer is option number C, Tularam. Question number 5. Who among the following was the daughter-in-law of Emperor Aurangzeb? The options given here are option A, Nangbakla Gabonu, B. Mula Gavuru, C. Ramani Gavuru, D. Bijo Gavuru. The correct answer is option number C. Ramani Gavuru. Question number 6. Which people were the earliest inhabitants of Assam? The options given here are option A. Ahoms, B. Khasis, C. Jaintias, D. Boros. The correct answer is option number B. Khasis. Question number 7. The character Chand Sadagar is found in the tale of. The options given here are option A, Behula, B, Sabitri, C, Usa, D, Aimati. The correct answer is option number A, Behula. Question number 8. According to Ramayana, Amrutya Raja was the founder of which kingdom? The options given here are option A, Indraprastha, B, Pragyotispura, C, Kamrupa, D, Assam. The correct answer is option number B, Pragyotispura. Question number 9. Sonitpur was the capital of. The options given here are option A, King Bana, B, Bhagadatta, C, Narakasura, D, Pushyavarman. The correct answer is option number A, King Bana. Question number 10. Which city was known as the City of Eastern Astrology? The options given here are option A, Harupeshwar, B, Pragyotispur, C, Sri Surjaya, D, Tajpur. The correct answer is option number B, Pragyotispur. Question number 11. The tantric text Yogini Tantra is dedicated to the worship of two goddesses. One is Kali and the other one is. The options given here are option A, Mahamaya, B, Tara Devi, C, Kamakhya, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option number C, Kamakhya. Question number 12. What is the name of the two medieval texts that were compiled in the region of Assam? The options given here are option A, Ved and Purana, B, Kalika Purana and Yogini Tantra, C, Kaunji Khel and Yogini Tantra, D, Namanjali and Kirtan. The correct answer is option number B, Kalika Purana and Yogini Tantra. Question number 13. Dhodar Ali was constructed during the reign of. The options given here are option A, Rudra Singha, B, Pramata Singha, C, Uday Aditya Singha, D, Gadadhar Singha. The correct answer is option number D, Gadadhar Singha. Question number 14. Who is considered as the greatest poet of the Ahom period? The options given here are option A, Mankar, B, Chandidas, C, Kaviraj Chakravarti, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option number C, Kaviraj Chakravarti. Question number 15. Who was the first Ahom monarch to assume the Hindu title Swarga Narayan? The options given here are option A Jayadwaj Singha, B Suhummo, C Siva Singha, D Pratap Singha. The correct answer is option number B Suhummo. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.